income online as an author, teaching online, and writing content. However, my basic living expenses come from my monthly retirement income. Thus, this is the video series, Traveling the World on Social Security. This is part 2. I use sites like Airbnb.com, Booking.com for shorter stays, and even Tinner.com for glamping. Glamping is luxury camping, and sometimes that is the best option depending on my destination. My first glamping experience I found on Airbnb. Tinner.com does not yet have luxury camping outside of the U.S. or Puerto Rico. When I have layovers, I use Orbitz.com for the best and cheapest hotels closest to the airport. Now in this video, I want to talk about traveling in the Middle East or in Northern Africa and the cheapest way to accomplish this type of travel. My travel experience includes most of Europe except the UK and Spain. I have also traveled in Egypt, Cairo, and the Nile River to be exact. I encourage Americans, both men and women, to employ a tour group when traveling to a Muslim country, especially for women. In many Muslim countries, it is not safe for women to go out on the streets alone. My other recommendation is to cover your head with a scarf regardless of your religious beliefs and blend in as much as you can with the women in the country you are visiting. When I say to you that there are men in Muslim countries who do not want to see your breasts, legs, or tight-fitting clothing, I am serious. If they are with other Muslim men, you may experience verbal abuse. They call most American women women of the night. That is just how some of them think. Others who have traveled and understand the world outside of their immediate country will treat you differently. Thus, it is best to always have a male as a companion, even if it's the cab driver or someone you have hired to show you around. Thus, I recommend a tour group. I know many of you may hate tour groups, and I understand that. The group may leave the hotel at 7 a.m. and you want to sleep until 9 a.m. because you were up late or couldn't get to sleep. The group may be going one way and you may want to go another. This is to be expected. However, traveling with a group is the safest, easiest, and the cheapest way for you to experience the Middle East and or North Africa. Now for the financial side of this travel. You can handle this one of two ways. You can opt for a cruise and pay the offshore excursion, which can get a little expensive, or you can travel to a region and take tours from within the city. This is the cheapest way. Then your rent is paid for 1 or 2 months or however long you stay in the country, and you can pay the $100 or so for the day trips in the city, like in Cairo, Egypt, or take the 3-day cruise down the Nile River. Now remember, when traveling the world slowly on Social Security, you travel short distances from point A to point B. This is to keep your travel costs down and your monthly cash flow up. My travels from Acapulco to Mexico City, then to Miami, and on to the Dominican Republic was way too much traveling for one move. It cost a lot, and frankly, I'm having to over-budget myself while in the Dominican Republic. My travel distances from now on will be shorter distances like they were before.